Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in our list we have to scroll down to find the system. Now we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot customize them. It's just because we are using the automatic option for the time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers here. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and confirm it. Here we don't have to, but we can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions. So just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one, it will be immediately applied. And of course, the time will change accordingly. We've got also the time format. Currently, we are using the 24-hour one. You can turn it off and set the 12-hour format. It's up to you. So basically, this is the customization of the date and time section. You can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.